Come fly with me out into space. The solar system's a magical place. Planets spinning side by side. Let's take a cosmic learning ride. Closest to the sun, Mercury's small, gray and rocky. Fastest of all, just 59 Earth days to spin once around. Blazing hot days, nights cold to the ground. Next is Venus, yellow and bright. Earth's twin sister in size and in night. A day lasts longer than a Venusian year. Thick clouds of acid, not a place to steer. Round and around the sun they go, planets dancing in a cosmic show. Colors, sizes, days they spin. Let's explore the worlds we're in. Now comes Earth, our oceans and skies. Blue and green with life that thrives. One day's 24 hours, third from the sun, with a moon that glows. Mars is red, deserts and dust. Smaller than Earth, but exploring's a must. A Martian day is just like ours, 24 hours and 40 minutes long hours. Jupiter's huge, stripes bold and wide. Biggest planet with storms inside. A giant day's just 10 hours spin, with moons like Io dancing in. Saturn's gold with rings that gleam. Second largest, a shining dream. A day's 10.5 hours in flight. Beautiful bands in the pale sunlight. Uranus rolls on its side in blue, an icy giant with a greenish hue. 17 hours make up a day, tilted seasons in a special way. Last is Neptune, stormy and deep, dark blue winds that never sleep. 16 hours for one quick spin, farthest planet where the cold begins. Round and around the sun they go, planets dancing in a cosmic show. From Mercury fast to Neptune slow, the solar system's a place to know. So when you look up at the sky at night, think of the planets shining bright. Each with colors, sizes, spins. Our solar system, where it all begins.